Sabaha everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my review of the X-Lambo glass protector for our Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. This is a glass protector that is intended to be used with cases, so it's going to be case friendly. But not only that, the installation process is very simple because it also includes a guide so that there's no way for us to install this incorrectly. This is TK, let's check it out. And here we have it. This is for the S9 Plus by a company called Otago. Again, this is the X-Lambo series. This is the updated version that's available on their Amazon store. They have one for the S9 Plus that I have here, as well as one for the S9. So the packaging is very simple. We have a guide. This is going to be used on our S9 Plus to be able to align the actual installation. Pretty simple. You just basically put it on after you clean it. This isn't ready yet, so you put it on and it fits kind of like a case realistically, and then you basically put it on and it'll align it exactly as it's intended on the S9 Plus. Now as far as the actual piece of glass, it is a single piece. There is no actual holes for these sensors on the top, just an opening for all of them, and it does go all around. And basically I'm not sure essentially if the actual glue is on the entire piece or is it mostly on the edges, as most of them are like that. So we'll go ahead and check that out. And other than that, they do have an instruction manual just showing us exactly how to do it. Clean it, use the sticky tape to remove any kind of dust, put the actual guard, or I guess would be the frame, put the glass protector, remove the guard, and then start applying pressure on the edges to be able to get it to sit, which kind of tells me that this is basically an edge display, not or an edge glass protector, not a full screen adhesive. And you can probably see this through the glass. They do mention basically that you do need to press the edges after you remove it, but they also recommend you turning on touch sensitivity within the display. So I'm not sure why, but it seems like because it's not on it all the time, touch sensitivity will improve the touching on it, so there's no issues with touching or false responses. And of course, screen protection cleaning accessories here. We're going to have a small chamois, an alcohol wipe, I'm assuming, here, an LCD screen cleaning kit. This is a wet one, an alcohol one. And of course, the sticky tape, aforementioned sticky tape in the instruction. So we'll use this to remove any kind of leftover dust that we have. Of course, the glare on this is going to be super high. You can see pretty much here. I mean, but again, this is a very reflective device, so it's not like it's going to hide the glaring there. But overall, let's go ahead and see sensitivity. Double tap. Okay, swiping. Let's go ahead and bring the edge display. Edge. Okay, top. All right. It doesn't seem like it has that big of an issue, but they do recommend again in here, say go into setting, advanced features, and turn on touch sensitivity. So let's go ahead and go into settings. Advanced features, sensitivity. So turning on this increases the touch sensitivity on the screen used with screen protectors. So it is, again, part of what Samsung does recommend for you guys, that actually you should turn this on whenever you install a screen protector. So it's not just something that they're asking for us, this is something that Samsung recommends. But overall, it looks pretty good. I like to try it out with the case. Now this is again not the case that I use. I actually used the Ghost Tech. This is a case that I did a review for you guys with Ghost Tech. This is a pretty fitted case, so if it fits with this and it works great, I'm going to be pretty stoked with this because this protects it very well from the back. So I'm going to go ahead and insert and off, and you know what? It actually does a good job. Now there is a gap. There's no question about that. There's a gap at the top, a gap at the bottom, and it seems like it's a little bit raised just from the sense of how I have it installed. But overall, the glass is pretty clean. I like the sensitivity, the response is very good. Follow the instructions, use the guide, and you're pretty much set. This glass protector is super easy to install, and as long as you turn on the touch sensitivity within settings, as Samsung does recommend you using that feature once you install the glass protector, you should not have any issues as far as touch sensitivity. It is case friendly, so you don't have to worry about that, and that's why the edge is a little bit recessed from the side, and that's the intention here. This is not intended if you're going to be using your device without a case, but if you have a case on this, using this with it, you're pretty much set. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, this is the updated version of this glass protector on the Amazon store. The link will be in the description below as usual. It is available for the S9 and the S9 Plus. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much. And again, I really appreciate your support for all these years. I'll see you guys in the next video.